morning and welcome back to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I just got back from the market after running a few errands, like dropping off a cookbook and a jar of spice blend. Yes, to a customer. She happens to live here in Yuba City. Let me show you what I got picked up. It's another wok day. This is the recipe. It's basically a list of ingredients. So the pork tenderloin, which I had, it was in the freezer, it was hiding. That's about a pound. A little bit of olive oil. Actually, this is the pumice. I picked up some zucchini. They didn't have red bell peppers, so I picked up an orange. Some baby bella mushrooms. Yellow onion I had on hand. The matchstick carrots I had on hand. The red chili peppers I had on hand. I just want to use them up. I picked up some green onions, which I'll use for garnish. And I had some fresh basil left over. I want to use that up. I'll be adding some ginger, some garlic, and this is the teriyaki sauce I was talking about earlier this morning. We love this teriyaki sauce. Okay, the next thing I'm going to talk to you about is one of my little secrets, and I'm going to just put it out there. As you know, the other night I did jasmine rice in the microwave. I do majority of my rice, especially my long grain, white, in the microwave. It's still 1 cup long grain white rice to 2 cups water. Yes, I know there's no water in there. But I have perfected with my microwave how long, what temps, yada, yada, yada. And it comes out perfect every time. Now, the brown rice I bake. Yes. But I have been doing my long grain white rice in the microwave for over 2 decades. Yeah, I know how to do it in a pot, but why? All right, I'll be back. And we're back at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I just finished up my prep. Let's take a look. Okay, we'll start on the big end. We have zucchini, mushrooms. Here's the pork, orange bell pepper, yellow onion, the carrot matchsticks, garlic, ginger, the red chili peppers, and the green onions for garnish, and the slightly kind of old basil, which I also use for garnish. So there it is. I figured I would try something a little different today with this little presentation. So on this Tuesday, you see what I've been up to. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.